Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to loop through keys, values, and items in a dictionary. Here I'm having a dictionary and it has three keys here as you see, name, age, and city, and it has three values, John, 30, and New York. If we want to only iterate through the keys of this dictionary, we can type down the keyword for, and for each key in my dictionary dot keys. If I use the keys function, this is going to help me to only iterate through the keys of the dictionary, okay? Name, age, and city. Then for each iteration, I print key. So in the first iteration, key equals name. Second iteration, key equals age. And third iteration, key equals city. Okay? So in here in the code, I'm printing a loop through keys. Then I'm typing down my key variable here, which is my iterating variable for each key in my dictionary dot keys. Print this key for me. So in the first iteration, key equals name, second one age, and third one city. Here is how we can iterate over the keys in a dictionary. Then what if we would like to iterate over the values only, not the keys anymore? We are typing down this message for us, loop through values, and then I type down for values in my dictionary and then dot values in parentheses, in empty parentheses. So we are using the values function to iterate over values, and then in each iteration I'm printing the value in the output. So in the first iteration, value equals John. In the second, value equals 30. And in the value, the third value equals New York, as you see it here. So using values function in dictionaries, we are able to iterate through only values. And if we would like to iterate over key value pairs, we use the items keyword. So I'm typing down for any key and values in my dictionary dot items print key and value. So it is going to say name John, age 30 in the second iteration, and the third iteration city and New York. So when I run this code, in the output we see loop through keys, and only keys are being printed as we expected here, name, age, and city. Then we are having loop through values. So values are John, 30, and New York. John, 30, and New York as we expected. And then loop through key value pairs. We see name John, age 30 in city, New York, as we were expecting to see the same thing. So in this video, we learned how to loop through keys, values, and key value pair. Thank you for watching.